Sera.
SJ, Sera. Alright. Hey,
Sera.
what's up with you, man?
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
What up, T&S family? We're back with another vlog. Okay, so we went around all of APIA, no lies. Like, we cabbed it. We also walked and we were looking for a car rental and we couldn't find a car. Everywhere is booked out. So then we came over here. It's like called, let me show you. It's called Reef Rentals. Reef Rentals. They have really nice cars here. Like actually majority of their cars that they've got on shop floor is all brand new, and we picked up a car. Lucky, like no joke, I walked in and I was like, do you have any cars? She was like thinking about it if she had a car, and she's like, oh yeah, we've got one more left. It's a Ford Ranger. Picked it up and now we've got a car and now we're set. Taru's just doing the payments inside. And yeah, family, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm just happy. I'm happy. Are you happy?
Very happy. Now we can start our adventures, family.
No lies, we've been just like sitting in a hotel for a day because his parents took back the car that we're using, and then yeah, lucky we found this car. This is the owner. Are you the owner? Yes. Yes. Can you say your name?
I'm Mercy.
Hello, my name is Nico. We're ever looking for guys that will come down to
Fausia Pelova Fa Amalosi Seramana Tua Pea So Adamua.
Alright, family, so we just arrived to Mufaligi.
Hello. Kaya.
Okay, so it's unplanned, but we thought, hey, we might as well take the kids and take them somewhere. But my husband's like, oh, these kids, if it's your chance, take it.
Okay, family, so we're just here at Apollo Cinemas. Okay, that's the cinema here. Obviously, here in Samoa, it's pretty sicky there, but it's very cold in there, so we're a bit worried if the kids are going to be too cold while we watch a movie. Also, we're trying to see if there's a movie around this time, which is 3:31, or anytime closer, but if not, then we'll go get a feed and then try come back later on tonight. Alright.
A few moments later.
And we're out. How cold was it?
So cold.
Namalulu.
Poor kids are freezing.
Ngay malulu ko. From Kala.
It's the nice. It's the kalau tadi cuma kau seskai mide ngore kakofon. Mangangai ya waka. Ale tak ngi mikeng kia. Dari famangaya.
Okay, so we're going to see if we can get a feed. I hope you can hear me, but in Samoa, one thing that I love, you can actually sit and ride in the back. Okay fam, so we've just finished the movie, Mary Poppins movie. It was like, if I had to rate it, I think I would probably only give it an 8. Everyone, we're seeing all our Melbourne family down here. family, my wow. My poor husband. I don't know where Tuxx is, guys. It's so packed. Happy New Year's, T&S family. We love you so much. We can't believe we have gotten through 2018. Praise God. May we continue to walk with Him, and everything that we do with Him. So family, I'm here and I saw my uncle on the road.
What are you doing here?
Where's Missy? Oh, there you are! Guys, meet my cousin! Guys, this is my cousin. Say something. Hi guys, make sure to subscribe.
Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. I see my niece over here now. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Hi. Oh my God, you're so pretty.
Happy New Year from Lava.
Elenga lo tiny flying ata. Oh, tuma ela mangana. Fausia pelova. Fa amalosi. Sera mana tua peaso anamua. Tua peaso anamua. Alolo itanga tama tutua. Alolo itanga tama